hard-coding the content here. This is being hard-coded in HTML, and this is being hard-coded in the reducer. But we want to get the data from the server, our brand new server. So let's see. Let's head back to the server, and let's see. We had created the model for the topic, right? And there's a table for it, right? There's a table for those topics. And right now it's empty. There's nothing in there. So let's create a couple of topics here. Let's create the JPA topic, the SQL topic, the React topic, and the Angular topic. Right? And we're going to apply, and that's going to add those records. All right. So how do we extract these records? Right. So we know how to do that, right? We need to create a repository so that we can query it. So let's create real quick here a topic repository. So this is a little bit of review of what we had done earlier. So this is a topic repository, right? And so this interface is going to extend the CRUD repository, and we can just configure this that we want to CRUD, create, read, update, delete topics. And the primary key is an integer. There we go. All right, we're done with the repository. We can then wrap that inside of a service, a topic service that is going to provide a nice high-level interface. So this is just going to be a service. Again, this should be all review for you, right? It's going to use our brand new repository. We're going to auto-wire the topic repository, and then we can export a function that retrieves all the topics, right? We want to do a public list topic that's going to retrieve all the topics. So this will be find all topics, and it's going to return whatever the repository returns, repository.findAll, there it is. And we're going to have to cast it to the correct data type. There we go. We're going to have to cast it. There we go. So we have that. So this accesses the data from the database. Yes? We need to now export this as a URL API. Yes? As a web API. So for that, we're going to create a little controller. So let's go to the controller and let's create a topic controller. So this is topic controller. And the topic controller is going to use our brand new service. So this is a RESTful controller, so a REST controller. We're going to use our brand new service, which we just created. We're going to auto-wire it in here. So this is our topic service, which we just created. Topic service, there it is. And we want to expose this function to a URL. So this is the function we want to expose, right? And this is going to just return whatever the topic service returns. And you'll find all topics. And the way we're going to export it is by using a get mapping, so that we can say API/topics. And that's all the topic. It's a RESTful service. It's a read-only operation. I'm putting the plural noun, right? And together, the controller and the service, together, they make up the web service. The controller makes up the web side, and the service makes up the service side. All right? One only knows how to talk HTTP, whereas the other one knows how to manipulate the data. And together, they collaborate and implement the web service. Make sense? It's a very well useful design pattern. All right, so let's restart the server. And that's going to expose that /API/topics. We should be able to access it from any URL, from any browser here. We can say localhost 8080/API/topics. Right, there we have. We have JPA, SQL, React, Angular. Those are the records that we had there, yes? Now we have it available. Let's hook it up to the React client we just built.